My name's Brian Stortz. I'm an owner and co-founder of Flags of Valor. Grew up in a military family. All 5 people in my family served, from my grandfather, 35 years in the Navy, to growing up an Air Force brat. My dad was in for 25 years. Had an opportunity to join the Army. Served in the 82nd Airborne as a paratrooper in the infantry at Fort Bragg, and then became an Air Force Special Operations pilot. And deployed 9 times, got injured on my 9th deployment, came back, had spinal surgery, and during physical rehab, I wasn't wearing my uniform, and I was a little, mentally and physically depressed. Here I was deploying all the time with my unit and my people, and now I'm stagnant and not being able to do anything, just on some basic physical limitations at the time, and that wears on you. I missed the flag on my shoulder, something I'd looked at for 14 years. In 2012, no one made a wooden American flag, except for one company, but it wasn't made in America, and I couldn't bring myself to buy it. So I just started woodworking the next day. I had no prior experience. Obviously great to take raw materials and cut with tools and sand and nail and make something beautiful, but what I really found was very therapeutic. There I was in my garage working with a neck brace on every day, but I looked forward to that. The first couple of flags I made, I donated to a couple widows in our community. That true philanthropic feeling was something I'll never forget. It was the first, reason that we started Flags of Valor. We wanted to be able to give back and create more. And so I got an early medical retirement, and one of my good buddies and best friends that I was, flying and deploying with also was getting out. We decided, why not start another, career doing something else that would honor veterans, give back, make things in America, and so we launched Flags of Valor. It was a no-brainer, one, to hire veterans. They've served our country in some capacity, and now we wanted to be able to hire them to serve in other ways.
Born and raised in Northern Virginia, joined the military 2 weeks out of high school. I did exactly 12 years in the Army. I was medically retired in 2018. Just serving my country, just doing something different, seeing different parts of the world. It's what I love to do. It was awesome. A lot of people don't understand if they weren't in the military. If they didn't spend a substantial time in the military, having that understanding of coming to work with your family, coming to work with people that are part of a brotherhood, no one understood it. No one understood that connection that you had to the person next to you. Having that sense of friendship, it's almost like a family. Like, you go to work with a family, you come home to a family. Now you come to work with employees. Those guys really, they couldn't be your family, but you don't have that anymore. And that was a big sense of everything's different. It was weird.
The start of it was an American flag for your wall, and that's kind of turned into, we make hundreds of items, phone holders to kids' flag build kits, awards, decorations. The flag was the catalyst to launch the company.
What we do here at FOV is, if you finish that product, you're putting your name on the back of it. That kind of gives the craftsman a bit of a pride that they know that they're going to put their name on this, so that it has to be good. I've made this is awesome. I want to put my name on it and give it to somebody.
We manufacture everything in America, from the screws to the boxes. That was a big priority for us. We are continuing to grow. We've hired over 75 veterans in 5 years. We give back. We've raised over $1.5 million for nonprofits and veteran service organizations, which is a big deal for a small business. We hire veterans because it's the right thing to do. We want to continue giving. I think that would be our legacy.